Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial, Jedi Master, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download a Monero wallet. So let's jump right into it. The first step here is to find the correct domain name, and I'll show you how I do that. The first step is to go to your search engine and go to coinmarketcap.com. And on this list of cryptocurrencies, we're going to scroll down until we see Monero here, and we're going to click that, and we're going to click on this website right here. So it takes us to getmonero.org. That is the website. It is a HTTPS website, and it is a secure connection. You could tell by the green padlock right here. So that's how you find the website. Another thing we're going to do is check their Twitter profile, and we do that by going back to CoinMarketCap here and clicking social for Monero, and it refreshes, and what happens is it takes us to their Twitter profile link, which is this. And as you can see here, they have over 300,000 followers, which is a significant amount for a cryptocurrency project. And the link that they're promoting is the same link, which is getmonero.org. And that's how you verify if this is the correct website or not. Let's move on to step number 2 here, which is to choose the correct wallet. And I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to go back to this website, getmonero.org, and click downloads here. And I'm going to scroll down. And as you can see, they have Windows, Mac, Linux, and even mobile and light wallets. What we're going to do for this video is download a light wallet. And the one that we're going to specifically use is this My Monero wallet right here, this black one. And the reason why I'm choosing the My Monero wallet is because it's a light wallet, so you don't have to download the actual blockchain, and it's deemed safe by trusted members of the Monero community. So that's why I'm choosing this wallet. So let's move on to step number 3 here, which is to create a new account. And I'll show you what that looks like. What we're going to do is click on this My Monero black symbol right here. And it takes us to a new website, which is mymonero.com. And it is a HTTPS website, and it is a secure website. I'll help you read this right here. It says, the simplest way to use Monero: send and receive Monero safely and securely, anywhere and anytime. So that's great. We're going to click this create an account button right here. And it's giving us this warning right here, which says understand the risks in using My Monero. It says here, My Monero is a web-based interface that allows you to use Monero without running a full Monero node. However, because this convenience comes at a cost, it is extremely difficult for My Monero to securely deliver its code to your browser. This means that there is considerable risk in using My Monero for large amounts. It is recommended that you treat My Monero as you would treat your actual wallet and not store very large amounts in it. For long-term storage of Monero, you should create a cold wallet using Monero address or similar. And the next note here is take note of your private login key. Below this, you will find your 13-word private login key. Keeping this secure and private is very important, as it is the only way that you will be able to log into your My Monero wallet. As we don't store your private login key on the server, there is no way to recover it if it is lost. Your private login key can also never be changed, and if it is stolen or otherwise compromised, you will have to move your funds to a new account with a new private login key. Therefore, it is best that you back up your private login key by writing it down, perhaps obscuring it as part of a poem or letter, and storing it in multiple safe and secure places. So this is my private login key right here. You do not want to share this with others. I'm just sharing it with you for demonstration purposes for this tutorial, and I will not be using this account. So this is my private login key right here, and it's saying to write it down. You could even store this in your password manager. and it's saying to confirm your private login key. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And now that I have it pasted, I'm gonna click I have written down my private login key, log me in, and voila, this is what the My Monero wallet looks like. So briefly, I'll show you what the user interface looks like here, but you can copy and paste this address by clicking on this button right here. It says press Ctrl+C to copy the text below, and there's a transaction history here where there's no history. And if you want to send, there's a send button right here where you put in the address, amount, and a payment ID, which is optional. If I go back and click receive, it gives me my address right here, the amount I want to receive, a label, and all I would have to do is click this receive button. If I go here on the top where it says review login key, it gives me that same login key right here, which I've already saved in my password manager. And there's an import transactions button right here. Go ahead and check this out if you wish. And there's also account details, which give me my public address, my private key, and my spend key. So that means we're gonna move on to step number 4 here, which is to verify that we can close and open the account. And I'll show you what that looks like. So back on this website, we're just gonna click log out here on the top right. And I could even go back to CoinMarketCap here and find Monero. I could find their website right here, click downloads, and then I could click mobile and light wallet options. And here's the button to enter into the My Monero wallet once more. Okay, so I'm gonna click login here on the top right, and it's saying to enter my private login key right here. So I'm gonna have to get that from my password manager and paste that into here. And that's all I need to enter into the account. And I'm gonna click enter my account right here. And voila, this is the My Monero account live once more. So that almost concludes this video. In this video, I just wanted to show you how to download and install the My Monero wallet. In my upcoming videos for Monero, I'm gonna show you how to send it, receive it, back it up, protect it, and even update the wallet. So there you go, you successfully downloaded and installed the My Monero wallet, and that concludes this video. If you like watching blockchain tutorials like this, get the cryptocurrency investing blueprint. You could learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint. And you could get 10% off using my promo code, Denny2018. You could also follow our cryptocurrency market team on Twitter. You could find me at Denny Lovejoy. And you could find my crypto mentors, Taizan and LeonFu.com at Hey Taizan and Leon C. Fu. If you have any suggestions for future videos, send them to me on Twitter. Thanks again, have a terrific day, and I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.